Subframe removal and single seat arrangement. Spruce up your bike and give it a trendy look by removing the subframe and switching to a single seat. Here are a few easy steps to follow. To start with, you will need the following tools: 14 mm spanner and ratchet, 5 mm Allen key, 14 mm socket, T-rod, extension bar, and torque wrench. First, place the motorcycle on the center stand. Remove the pillion seat with the vehicle key and keep it aside. Use a 14 mm spanner to hold the left-hand side rider seat mounting bolt and remove rider seat mounting nut with a 14 mm socket on right-hand side. Follow the same procedure for second seat mounting. Remove the seat from the vehicle. Once removed, keep it aside. Remove the plastic cover under the rider's seat using 5 mm Allen key at 3 mounting location. Once removed, keep it aside. Use a 14 mm socket to loosen the rear subframe front mounting. Loosen the bolt evenly on both left hand and right hand side of the subframe. Use a 14 mm spanner and socket to loosen the rear subframe and rear shocker mounting bolt. Don't remove the bolt from the vehicle. Loosen till the subframe is released from the suspension mounting. Follow the same procedure for the left-hand side. Assemble the rear shocker mounting bolt and nut on both left-hand and right-hand side of the vehicle. First, manually tighten the mounting bolts with spanner. Using torque wrench, apply the torque of 50 Nm on the mounting bolt. Ensure the bolts are torqued to the specification on both left-hand and right-hand side rear shockers. Please ensure the proper torquing as mentioned. If bolts are not torqued, it will affect the drivability and consequently cause damage to the rear suspension and seat assembly. Assemble the plastic cover using 5 mm Allen key at 3 mounting location. Post initial tightening, using torque wrench, apply the torque of 8 Nm on the mounting bolts. Locate the rider seat on its original position, aligning with mounting holes at the frame. Insert the rider seat mounting bolt from left hand to right hand. Locate the respective mounting nuts on the right-hand side and tighten it. Using torque wrench, apply the torque 45 Nm on the mounting nut. Your bike is all set with a newly fitted single seat. It's time to hit the road. Ride safely.